Hi YouTube viewers, and welcome to another video. Today's video is an unboxing video. And what are we unboxing, you may ask? Well, I went out and I purchased a couple of tools for myself because shh, don't tell my employer, he is super cheap. And I have to purchase my own tools to go to work and do the bidding of my employer. So today's purchase is going to increase my productivity at work, and I'm hoping that this is going to work out for me. I bought a cordless 10-ounce caulk and adhesive gun from Milwaukee, tool only. And I bought a conversion 20-ounce aluminum sausage barrel kit that mounts onto the 10-ounce gun and delivers approximately, according to specifications, says 950 foot-pounds of force. Bought this at JCKA in Canada here, just outside of Ottawa, and that's the Milwaukee M18 10-ounce caulking gun, bear gun, and the Milwaukee aluminum 20-ounce sausage cartridge that I purchased for a grand total. Nice taxes. Thanks a lot, Justin. Appreciate that. Anyways, purchased that with the hopes and anticipation that I can realize some efficiencies at work. I'm tired of using manual caulking guns. Half the time they're broken, they're damaged, and people don't care. They don't respect their tools, especially employer-provided tools. The conversion kit comes with a plunger. Comes with a plunger for the aluminum barrel 20-ounce. It's anodized coating. It's aluminum. It's really lightweight. It unthreads. It's got the same thread pattern on both ends of the barrel, and came with a caulking tip. Woo! Thanks, Milwaukee, you're the best. And then the plunger, the shaft. The plunger gets mounted to the end of the shaft. I guess it goes this way like that. It mounts on like this, and that'll go into the gun. There's a little tag on here, M18 20-ounce 600 mil sausages. So that's the conversion kit. I guess I could open up the plunger too. Comes with a screw to thread in to the end of the rod here, like so. It just threads in like that, and then of course the plunger is attached to the end. It's got some dimples inside the center of the plunger here that will line the shaft up and keep it from turning and twisting, keep it stable and going in one direction instead of maybe rotating on each cycle. And then, just thread the screw in like that, and your plunger is attached. That's great. Let's check out the tool, the motor mechanism, the 10-ounce. The 10-ounce. Open up the box. What do we got inside here? Instructions. United States, Milwaukee, made in USA. Appreciate you. Thank you. It's unfortunate we don't make stuff like this in Canada, but I'm hoping it's not made in China. Not that there's anything wrong with made in China products. Of course, we all know what China-made products are like. And there's the gun itself, M18. It's set up for a cartridge as opposed to a sausage. And this will just unthread. And then basically the barrel threads on just like that, and you've got yourself an amazing caulking machine here. This is a production tool that I really enjoy working with and using in my trade as a glazer. It has a speed controller, variable speed controller, to regulate how fast the action is on the gun. And yeah, otherwise it pulls back smooth. That's the 10-ounce 300 mil M18 plunger, set up for a cartridge for 10 ounces. This is the cartridge adapter, just like so, and you've got yourself a cartridge gun ready for action. And then a quick change of the adapter, and you put a barrel on, and now you've got a 20-ounce gun ready for action. Boom, boom, boom. Take this, take that. Caulking, tools of the trade. If you're going to be a production worker and you're going to be a caulker, or you're going to work in a company where you require to use a lot of caulking for sealing, this is the kind of tool that you would like to have in your arsenal. Alright, YouTube viewers, thanks for viewing. There's the products. Get out there, grab yourself a caulking gun and start caulking. Thanks for viewing.